What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard Van 57 error in League of Legends. Now to fix this issue, there are a few things that you need to do. So first things first is we want to uninstall and reinstall the Vanguard app here. So to do that, you want to go to search here, just type in the following. It's going to be control panel, open it up, and you want to go to programs. Now under programs, you want to go and click on programs and features. And in here, you could just press V on your keyboard or R on your keyboard so that you could see right Vanguard here. And you just need to right click on it and click on uninstall and click on continue. Now click on yes if it requires further permission. And from then on, you want to click on answer yes. Now once you've uninstalled this from your PC, when it's actually removed in here, what we need to do next is we need to open up Riot Client. But first, let's just wait for it to be uninstalled. Now once it's actually uninstalled, you want to open up the Riot Client here, go to League of Legends, and you'll see that there's an update. Go and click on update, and it should update so that Riot Vanguard will be automatically installed into your PC again. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to enable a few things. So you want to go to search here, just type in services, open this up, and under services, you want to look for VGC. Now you want to click any of the apps here, just press V, and you want to look for a VGC, right click on it, and you want to go and click on properties. Now you want to set this to automatic instead of manual, and click on apply and OK. Go ahead and close this one. And once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to visit system configuration. So just type in into search system config, open it up, and under here you want to go ahead and go to services, and again you want to look for VGC. So it might be at the very bottom here, so go ahead and go to the very bottom and just make sure that VGC is enabled. Now next is you want to go ahead and open up Task Manager here. Go to your search, just type in Task Manager, or just press Control Shift Escape in your keyboard, and this should pop up. Now you want to go ahead and go to Startup here, in here, Startup, and you want to look for VG Tray. So you want to make sure it's enabled. So if it's disabled, right click on it and just choose the enable option. But for my case, it's already enabled, so it should be good. Now once you've done all of this, just restart your PC and you should be good. That's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.